For My Ghana Media TV is your number one YouTube channel that feed you with all the trending news in Ghana. But I was say, Maumo say My Ghana Media and Wadia to me say, Obe peke a year with news update a free. And any day they can buy your channel so about more thing say obe me a subscribe button no so now obe kan say there be any news update be no or so on sabit me aka. Yɛde wokɔ ɔman yi mmarahyɛbadwam na sɛdeɛ nyina anim sɛ mmarahyɛbadwa ɛtɔ so nkron no wɔn atwe wɔn nso nkonnyasie no asensɛn kakra nti parliament yɛ suspended sitting na ne nyinaa no yɛ sɛ aban foforɔ a aba owura John Dramani Mahama ogusu a wɔyɛ an appointment which is the ministerial appointment no egusu a ɛkɔ so wɔde kan de ɛyɛ nipa mmiɛnsa edin aba abɛto ɛyɛ edwa a saa nipa mmiɛnsa no owura Dr. Ban Atoforsen wɔno no wabɔ ne din sɛ Ministry of Finance ɛna ɔpɛ sɛ ɔkɔ no ɔkɔyɛ n'adwuma saa nso ɛna ɛyɛ onimonyamfoɔ John Abdullahi Gyinapɔ nso wabɔ ne din sɛ ɔpɛ sɛ ɔkɔyɛ adwuma as ɛyɛ Minister of Energy ɛna afei ɛyɛ owura Dominic Ayine nso so wabɔ ne din sɛ ɔpɛ sɛ ɔkɔ na ɔkɔyɛ adwuma nso ɛwɔ ɛyɛ the office of the Attorney General and the Ministry of Justice na abusuafoɔ mmarahyɛbadwafoɔ wɔn wɔ abadwaku a yɛapa wɔn a ɛtoto mpanyinfoɔ yi ano yɛfrɛ mo sɛ appointment committee anaasɛ vetting committee na wɔn asi nkonnwa wɔn gu so a wɔn toto nipa mmiɛnsa yi ano ɛnɛ da yi a ɛyɛ January 13th 2020 5 vetting committee no ɛtena ase na asetena wɔn mo kɔɔyɛ no wɔn atoto nipa mmiɛnsa no nyinaa nso ano deɛ odi kan ɛyɛ owura Atoforsen ɔkɔ yibisa ne nsɛm bebree ɛma wɔn nso so ɛyiyi ano sɛdeɛ ɛsɛ na ɛfata wɔnim sɛ dɛdeɛ a ɛyɛ free senior high school nsɛm bɛbɛ mu saa nso na ɛyɛ betting tax nso nsɛm bɛbɛ mu 120 days bɔhyɛ a owura John Dramani Mahama ahyɛ ho bɔ ne nyinaa na esikasɛm totoyɛ ne nyinaa na ebisabisa ne ho nsɛm a wɔn nso provided the needed answers na ɛno akyi no owura John Gyinapɔ nso ɛkɔɔyɛ ɔno nso anyinamɔden aso ɛyɛ nyinaa nim the challenges a ɛkɔ so a sisi ɛyɛ bɔ mpaeɛ sɛ dum so koraa nso ɛmɛto yɛn ɛno nso so yɛbisabisa ne ho nsɛnsɛm ɛma ne yiyi ano kɔwie sɛ ECG koraa na wɔsɛ yɛde ma ankorankora bi na ɔmutumi manage nso ɛde ma ɔma yi ne nyinaa no ɛyɛ nsɛmbisa ne ano yɛ bi a ɛkɔ ɛyɛ ɛsoɔ na ɛduru ɛyɛ owura Dominic Ayine ɛso no na kyerɛ sɛ ayɛ very very interesting na ne nyinaa ne sɛ abadwakuo no mu binom ɛpɛ sɛ wɔn busabisa nsɛm bi a ɛno bɛboa ama nka wɔn nso ehunu sɛdeɛ wɔn dwumadie no asi bi ɛrekorɔ na opie mu ɛwɔ soame abatoɔ mpɛsua so a wɔn mmarahyɛbadwani ɛyɛ owura John Dako ɔyɛ n'adwene sɛ gya wɔbusa ɛyɛ owura Dominic nsɛnsɛm bi a ɛgya ɛfa wɔn nso so na ma mmara badwakuo a wapa wɔn a ɔde yɛ adwuma na saa nsɛmbisa no obusaeɛ no ɛna ɛyɛ appointment committee no chairman anaasɛ chairperson ɛyɛ owura Bernard Ahiafo wɔkyerɛ mu sɛ daabi saa nsɛnsɛm no ni kwan sɛ ebipie mu appointment committee no so ase nti owura John Dako wɔgyidie sɛ ɔmfa ne nsɛmbisa no ɛnsi na ɔmbi akɔnya ma obi foforɔ a ɔno nso wɔ nsɛm bi busa na owura John Dako nso kyerɛ sɛ daabi asɛm na ɔpɛ sɛ obusa no huni sɛ ɛyɛ asɛm hia a ɛbɛboa nti no chairman ma ne kwan na wɔn musa chairman sɛ da ɔmma kwan eti enum wɔ no ana kyerɛ sakasakasa kakra kɔɔ so ɛde abufo kakra ɛbaayɛ ɛma ɛyɛ dɔm ketewa no adehyeɛ no ma ɔmo ka ɛyɛ appointment committee ne ho a owura Alexander Afenyo-Markin wɔno edi wɔn anim kan no wɔn ɛsɔreyɛ owura Afenyo-Markin di kan sɔreyɛ ɛna afei maame Patricia Apiagye wɔn nso so ɛsɔreyɛ na kyerɛ sɛ afei minority members of the appointment committee no wɔn nyinaa wɔsɛ wɔn mpanyinfoɔ asɔre de wɔn nso sɔre wɔn nyinaa sɔre firi ɛyɛ vetting no nso ase a owura Dominic Ayine akuri tenga wɔn nso so ne vetting ase no deɛ si yɛ wɔ hɔnom na wɔn sɔre firi aseɛ a kyerɛ sɛ ɛho nkɔmmɔdidi egu so ɛkɔ so a wɔ social media so ne adeade mɛmo ahwɛ sɛdeɛ ɛyɛ nkɔmmɔ no si bi kɔɔyɛ minority members for no of the appointment committee no also sorry free dwumadie no ase. But don't forget say we subscribe to my Ghana Media TV channel so that any news update bia no was so quick pa na was on sa aka.
Rule you.
Even if he can answer, Mr. Chairman, I understand.
The question is overruled. If you are done, let me give the opportunity to another person.
Mr. Chairman,
I believe you are done. I will then give the opportunity to Honorable Shaibu.
Mr. Chairman, with respect, I am not
Honorable Shaibu, you have the floor.
Mr. Chairman, with respect, I am not done.
Chairman, with all due respect, please allow him to conclude. Please.
Mr. Chairman, thank you very much for your understanding. Mr. Nomini, your firm is on record as having acted for a number of companies which have gone on to make huge claims against the government. In some of these cases, the companies were formed between the year 2013 to 2017. Your firm was the law firm which acted as lawyers for the firm, for the firm. At the same time, you were the Deputy Attorney General. After you left office, the companies proceeded to go on international arbitration against the Republic, claiming millions of dollars. We have an example in GPGC, which was the claimant in the Trafigura arbitration case. Mr. Nomini, your law firm's address, Ayine, Feli & Co., is
Honorable John Dako, the nominee told the whole world that he is mindful of the conflict of interest situation. When he was a Deputy Attorney General, nothing of that nature happened. He's now before us to be vetted for the position of the substantive Attorney General. Why do you keep on asking questions relating to his law firm?
Mr. Chairman, I think it's very important. The honorable nominee, which I know very well, is going to be the chief enforcer of our laws. And so, Mr. Chairman, and he's capable, I know him very capable of answering any question posed to him.
It is not the capability.
Mr. Chairman,
it's not the capability of answering the question, but we need to be guided by the rules. You know, the law firm Ayine and Associates is different from Honorable Dr. Ayine.
Yes. Yes.
So
but it doesn't mean that he cannot answer. When there is a semblance of conflict of interest, I think that it will be in his own interest to answer that question, to clear the minds of all of us.
Honorable members, do you have any further question?
Mr. Chairman,
I ask the nominee not to answer such a question. I will now give the floor.
Mr. Chairman, I think you are being unfair to me. Yes, Mr. Chairman, if you believe that, for instance, this question...
Did you say I'm being unfair to you?
Yes, Mr. Chairman, with respect.
Why do you say so?
Because, Mr. Chairman, you are not allowing me to ask the questions I'm supposed to ask.
But I have the right to overrule you.
We represent.
We are guided by rules.
And the people need
but
to
we are
know.
guided by rules.
The people must hear.
Are you aware we are guided by rules?
Yes, Mr. Chairman, but I don't
You
think,
cannot even ask incriminating questions.
I don't think at this point I have violated any rules of this House. Mr. Chairman, I haven't.
Where lies the question of conflict of interest? When the nominee has already provided the answer.
Mr. Chairman.
Honorable John Dako, you are out of order. I give the floor to Ahmed Shaibu.
Order, Chairman.
I give the floor to Honorable Ahmed Shaibu.
Chairman, order. Chairman, I want to intervene.
We have Ahmed Shaibu and Mahama Shaibu.
Chairman, colleagues.
So, Honorable Minority Leader, you have the floor.
Chairman, before I go into colleagues, please, let's resolve matter. Chairman, I am making this point. If you check our rules book, you have the chairman of the committee, and you have the vice chair, and you have the ranking, and you have deputy ranking. In principle, what our standing orders is trying to say is that there is a presumption, a co-chair of this exercise. To allow, otherwise, if you will never, you would always want to have your say, but you don't want others to speak. That is your problem, NDC. That is your problem. Yes, we don't. Okay, if that is what you want to do, you're right, no problem. You will listen to me, Chairman. You can't say out of. You can say you've said that to my members. If you now want to extend it to me that I'm out of order and order, let's have it.
If the standing orders,
can the vice chair leave?
if the standing orders has,
Can I finish? Can I finish? Can I finish, my respected vice chair? Can I finish? Chairman, we are here. We are here to work as a team. The rule talks about the chair and vice chair. If this committee is to deal with a sole chair without anybody to work to express a view, it would have limited it to chairman and vice chair and nothing else. In Parliament, whenever there is a chair, there is a ranking. It is not to checkmate, but to work together and to express views of the House. When we try to put issues across, we have some of your senior colleagues who reach out quietly to say, oh, please, you are going too much. We listen to them. We want to work together. But Chairman, with the greatest respect, I have observed consistently the way you go at my members, especially the young ones, the new ones. It's not the right way. I've been quiet watching, and I will just be pinching you, the chairman. Please, you take it easy. Take it easy. But the way it is going, I think it is not too right. To the extent that, as your co-chair, and I want to state this on record, well, the standing, don't worry. If you give it a purposive interpretation, it will lead you to that conclusion. Please, let's understand each other. This vetting should have taken place tomorrow, all three of them. We mean well, and I want to state that on record. We mean well as a minority. We cooperated to have days, 21 days or 15 days notice to be waived so that you can form your government as quickly as possible. I am pleading with you, Chairman. Chairman, I am pleading with you. I do not. Can I finish? No, I'm not done. I want to be Honorable Mahama Yerga. I need to be done. I would have to be done. I do not like this situation whereby your side is still behaving as though you are in the minority. You are not in the minority. You are now in government. Please, we mean well. It is the reason why we are here. Stop the approach you are adopting. I am pleading with you. I am humbly pleading with you, Chairman. We plead with you. The approach will not help all of us.
You see, honorable members, I will give the floor to...
Chairman, he did not finish. Please. No. Chairman. No, he didn't finish. No. He had called somebody. Chairman, all my plea is... Chairman, I beg you, allow him. Chairman, please. Chairman, please.
You see, honorable members, we don't sit here to gag any member, but we rather give you directions. The fact that we are guiding and giving you directions as an honorable member of parliament, you should take a cue and proceed. If I want to apply the rules strictly, as the former First Deputy Speaker have been doing, what happened today, we may not be experiencing some of those things. According to him, you are asked to ask a question, you ask the question, but we have allowed you to run commentaries, sometimes to read write-ups before asking the question. So I would urge all of you, particularly the new members, to take guidance from the chair. We are here to guide you. We are to guide you. So if you still have one more question, you may proceed to ask the question. I beg you. I'll give you the floor after that. Oh, hold on with your question. Let me give the floor to Honorable Kwame Agboja.
Chairman, you see, nothing happening today.
Please, let's have order. Order.
Chairman, what the minority leader said about NDC being intolerant, or they have been more cooperative, is so what is